Terra Luna Classic price prediction as LUNC spikes up 4%. Is the sell-off over? Terra Luna Classic LUNC, the cryptocurrency that powers the original Terra blockchain that saw a spectacular blow-up in May 2022 after its USD algorithmic stablecoin lost its one peg to the US dollar, is rallying this week. Last at around 61 cents per token and a market cap of around $360 million, LUNC up around 8% in the last 24 hours as crypto markets broadly rise on optimism that spot Bitcoin ETF application approvals are near. However, LUNC is lagging the broader market and Bitcoin, which is up over 10% in the last 24 hours at $34,000. Poor fundamentals suggest that LUNC is unlikely to be able to keep pace with the broader cryptocurrency market's rally. Price predictions are unlikely to shift substantially bullish anytime soon. Price prediction: is the Terra Luna Classic LUNC sell-off over? Despite the best efforts of developers still invested in promoting Terra Luna Classic success, the Loan Task Force recently announced their plans to take the blockchain into maintenance mode for Q4 to handle blockchain and DApp issues. LUNC outlook is dire. Hardly anyone in the crypto space trusts or takes any project with Terra Luna in its name seriously in wake of the 2022 collapse that cost investors billions. As per DeFi Llama, Terra Luna Classic's trade value locked TVL, the dollar value of crypto locked in smart contracts on the blockchain, was last a paltry $1.46 million, virtually nothing. At its peak prior to the spectacular crash in May 2022, the blockchain was home to a TVL of close to $35 billion. The blockchain's lack of TVL emphasizes how it has essentially become a pariah blockchain that nobody is using or wants to use. Sadly, LUNC appears to have sadly fallen into the classification of being a shitcoin. It makes sense then that price predictions for LUNC remain bearish, even if the broader crypto market is expected to rise in the months ahead. Assuming LUNC continues to find resistance at its major moving averages and remains stuck within its long-term downtrend, the shitcoin is highly likely to hit its all-time lows around 44 cents, which would mark a more than 20% drop from current levels. Crypto alternatives to consider. With things looking bad for LUNC, investors should consider alternatives. Those looking for a better probability of near-term gains, an alternative high-risk, high-reward investment strategy to consider is getting involved in crypto presales. This is where investors buy the tokens of upstart crypto projects to help fund their development. These tokens are nearly always sold cheaply, and there is a long history of presales delivering huge exponential gains to early investors. Many of these projects have fantastic teams behind them and a great vision to deliver a revolutionary crypto application/platform. If an investor can identify such projects, the risk/reward of their presale investment is very good. The team at Crypto News spends a lot of time combing through presale projects to help investors out. Here is a list of 15 of what the project deems as the best crypto presales of 2023. See the 15 cryptocurrencies disclaimer. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.